Hello students, it's Nazia Begum here welcoming you all in today's class. So your post midterm examination had been completed. I hope you all have done well, and now your winter vacation is going to start. Okay, and in that winter vacation today I am here to give you some homework. Okay, so there are some list of practicals and portfolio topics. Okay, so one by one I am going to read that. Okay, you listen it carefully. I will also share the PDF. Okay, in that PDF you can read whatever is written there. So list of practicals are there. First, for biology, here the first practical is there. Carbon dioxide is evolved during respiration. And second is binary fission in amoeba, budding in yeast and hydra with the help of prepared slides. For chemistry, you are having practicals. First, finding the pH of the following samples by using pH paper or universal indicator. Okay. A. Dilute hydrochloric acid. B. Dilute NaOH solution. C. Dilute ethanoic acid solution. D. Lemon juice. E. Water. F. Dilute HCl solution. And second experiment in chemistry is performing and observe the following reactions and classify them into first, combination reaction, second, decomposition reaction, third, displacement reaction, and fourth, double displacement reaction. Okay, and the reactions are given here. A. Action of water on quicklime. B. Action of heat on ferrous sulfate crystals. C. Iron nail is kept in copper sulfate solution. D. Reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride solutions. So here A, B, C, D, 4 reactions are given. You have to classify these reactions, okay, in combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement reaction. Or in second part there is another experiment is there, or you can do this: observing the action of zinc, ferrous, copper and aluminium metals on the following salt solutions given in your lab manual. Okay, so in your lab manual these experiments are given, and this second experiment which I have told you, okay, with this experiment some uh, metals are also given, some salt solutions are also given. Okay, so that you can see in your lab manual. Then in physics, as I have already told you, to write one practical, one experiment which is to verify Ohm's law. Okay, so those who have already written that, it's okay for them, no need to write again, and those who have not, okay, write it as soon as possible. Second, finding the image distance for varying object distances in case of a convex lens and draw corresponding ray diagrams to show the nature of image formed. Okay, so these are the list of practicals for physics, chemistry and biology. Now how to write the experiments. The whole instruction how to write the experiment is given in page number 18 of your lab manual. Okay, in your lab manual you search in page number 18, it is given that which parts you have to write. Okay, and you all have to divide your experimental notebook, okay, practical notebook you are having, so that you divide in 3 parts. Okay, in first part you write physics, in second chemistry, and in third part you write biology. Okay, so like that you have to write. Okay, different sections should be there. In one copy only 3 part you make and write all the experiments. After that, here are the topics, list of portfolio topics. Okay, so we are having 3 sections in class 10th, section A, B and C. So here you can see it is written first section A. So for section A, the topic for portfolio is coal and petroleum conservation. For section B, it is big dams, advantages and limitations. And for section C, The topic is conservation and judicious use of natural resources. Okay, so these are the three topics for three different sections. So you all have to prepare your portfolio topic according to your section. And what is portfolio, how to make it, all that detail your class teacher will give you. Okay, so today's video was only to inform you about these experiments and portfolio topics. Okay, and you all have to complete it in your winter vacation only. Okay, in the first week of January you complete all your writing work. Okay, and any day we will decide, and that day you have to come to school and submit your lab manual. Okay, so your writing work, you keep it complete. Okay, you done it as soon as possible in first week of January. Any day we will give you on that day, or in second week, any one day you have to come and submit your lab manual. And in physics practicals, you will need some readings, so that readings also we will share it. Okay, first you complete your writing work, and in January only I will share the readings. Okay, or in between the winter vacation also I can give you. So wherever possible the readings will be provided to you, but you complete your writing work as soon as possible. And you all are now going to give your board exam, so all the best to you all in your preparation. Okay, prepare nicely, and if you are having any doubt, all the teachers are there for you to help you. Okay, anytime you can ask whatever doubts you are having. If you need any type of help from us, we are always there to help you. Okay, and with this I am finishing this video, and wish you a very very happy new year. And I hope this new year brings lots and lots of happiness for you and your family, because as we all know that 2020 went so bad. So with so many hopes, let's enter in new year. So happy new year to all. Enjoy and take care of yourself.